All right, let's get that camera up. 389. Are you gonna bring that camera higher though? I think it's too low. No? This is the legendary Lexus GSF. Now the F series is the first in production for the GS. Came out in 2015. Now big shout out to Bullet's Garage. Check out his Instagram below for letting us review his car today. Now what? Now what? I don't know what. Specs on this bad boy, you have 467 horsepower and 389 pound-feet of torque. Now, mind you, this comes with titanium valves and it has forged connecting rods. So this is nothing to mess with. Am I even in frame right there?
Killing my picture,
Am I in frame over there?
Yeah.
This is a beautiful four-door saloon, and it's got a lot of customized parts on it as well, which we'll go over during this review. Fucking piece of shit. There's also some other small additions to this car. As you guys can see, there's some window tints throughout the whole car. All the windows are tinted. The white and the black contrast each other very well, and yeah. All right, we're gonna pop the hood and I'm gonna tell you what he has done to the inside. Now you don't see a lot of, where's the hood? It's a rare dying breed. The owner just has, you know what? I think we're doing this wrong. Just record. Under the hood, we have a V8 motor, naturally aspirated. The vehicle, oh, you're gonna get sloppy. It's gonna be, hold it from the base, man.
Relax.
It's gonna up. So this vehicle stops on a dime. Wheels themselves are made by BBS and they are forged, lightweight and strength. Lightweight and very strong. We are running, I'm gonna cut that out later. Let me see.
275.
And on top of that, we have a 275 with tire in the back, which holds down the power just right. And one, okay, that's fine. You can keep recording. Maybe come from this way. I want to get the suspension. And one last thing, guys. The owner put some wheel spacers all around the car. Now these are not the bolt-on wheel spacers. These are the ones that attach to the hub with extended lug, with extended studs. So as you can see, the fitment on this vehicle is much better than it was factory. So it's not tucking, it's actually right there where the fender is. Fucking. Yeah, it's like, yeah, you can see the whole microphone and everything. Oh, we'll fucking see what we can do, man. So thick. Well, yeah, whatever. Just come this way. Oh man, this fucking, yeah, that's fine. This is fucking terrible lighting conditions, dude. Jesus Christ. I fucking hate reviewing cars. This is the last one ever. It's like, I don't know, man. It's like, how the f they make nice, like, fucking shit? If you see? Huh? Alright guys, we are in the GSF. Turning this into Sport Plus mode. Obviously this has TVD transmission or some shit like that, I have no idea. Oh my god. Jesus. It's got paddle shifters so you can keep 0 to 60 of this thing is 4.4 or 5 miles or holy f is this hard. I don't even know what camera to talk to, yo. I don't even know what to talk about anything else. Steering, right? We gotta
Steering,
talk about
brake
steering.
feel, comfortable seats, visibility.
The visibility of this car is excellent. Big windows. All right, let's see what it's got.
Speed limit here is 25, right?
25?
Yeah.
So am I going too fast? Huh?
I mean, not really, but that pull you did was dangerous.
Where are we at now? Where the fuck are we? Should I go this way?
I think this will take us. Let's see.
This might be that one road in between. I think the transmission was cutting some power over there. Or the ECU went earlier.
Yeah, because you don't have traction off.
Yeah. I thought I had it off. Man, it sounds like a supercharger whine actually a little bit. This is too much. I feel like fucking cameras are all on me. This car's too fast for these streets, man. Start doing less talking and just point of view driving because it's so much easier. So I can press and hold the stability.
Just if you're in export, you just tap it and it's gonna go to export.
It's an export now. Is that off? Stability? Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick first gear pull here from rolling first gear. And that's going to pretty much conclude this video for you guys today, this little short review. We're going to be doing it from about 20 miles an hour here. is fun. Guys, rear wheel drive is the way to go. Big shout out to Bullet's Garage for the review. And I definitely really like this car. So stay tuned, guys, for the next video. Give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my